What's up, Brian Tong here with a big unboxing for my friends at Robosen. And you might have heard of Robosen. Remember that freaking amazing transforming Optimus Prime robot? Yeah, they're the same company that does that. So what do? They decided to go bigger and better, just kind of raise up the ante with the limited edition Grimlock transforming Dinobot Gen 1, one of my favorite Transformers of all time. Now this is also going to be the world's first ever auto-converting dual format bipedal to bipedal walking robot. Try saying that thing 10 times fast. You can't. So let's get here. This is the box. It's nice and big. It's bigger than me. You can see the big Autobots logo here. Flip it around. You can see Grimlock in its form. And I say, hey, let's put this thing down and let's just get to the meat and potatoes and unbox this thing. So we're gonna start here. Sliceroo. So this is, the Gen 1 Dinobot Grimlock, leader of the Dinobots. Is this the best way to do it? How can I get this off without? Okay, let's do this here, over here. Oh, it's so big. Oh, throw this over here. Oh my goodness, okay. Oh, look at this box. He's breathing red foil fire. This is incredible. So there you have him in his Dinobots form, and we flip around in his Transformer form. We want to get into this, right? I mean, the Dinobots were like, me, Grimlock. Let's figure this out. It looks like there's a handle here to pull it. I think I'm gonna try and slide it down nicely. Okay, let's just, yay. All right. This is a final production prototype in here. Are we having fun with all these boxes? Yeah, we are, okay. So let's, I'm gonna see, it looks like there's these two little latches here that help to pop it open. Look at here also, it says Robosen. If you can see this, Grimlock, it's kind of like a carved out, cut out foam. And shall I do the honors? Let's do the honors. Ready, guys and gals? Oh! Grimlock, baby. Oh my God. This is insane. This is insane. Okay, let's get out the beast. I mean, the kid in me from the 80s is freaking out. The grown-ass man in me right now is freaking out. Oh my goodness. Inside here, 34 high-precision servo motors. That's what I think there were 27 in Optimus Prime, so there's more in here. There's also 85 microchips inside that is controlling all of his functions. In Optimus, I think there was something around 60 of them. And then also unique, a 6-axis IMU sensor that constantly monitors his balance. So what it is basically a 3-axis gyroscope, a 3-axis accelerometer to measure all those measurements to make sure that our bad boy Grimlock is standing tall. Okay. Grimlock, quick start guide. This is probably important to look at, right? The quick start guide, okay. So it looks like there's a power button in his chest. Okay, and I'm supposed to, is this it? Okay, it looks like I'm just gonna hit it. Press and hold for 5 seconds to start the robot. Oh shoot, he's live.
Meet Grimlock stronger. Meet Grimlock complete.
Oh my God, okay. He's going, okay. I think I can talk to him, but I can't. I remember like talking to him at Comic-Con. This is insane. There is an actual Grimlock, or a Robosen Grimlock app that I'm gonna open up here. So let's go here and it shows this cool video. Okay, connect. Shall we? Oh, the original music. Okay, it says connect. Oh, it looks like it found someone.
Meet Grimlock Bluetooth connection successful.
Did you hear that? He's like, meet Grimlock Bluetooth connection successful. This is amazing. Okay, so you can see here on the app, I have some different options. There's a mini theater, there's Bluetooth control, there's action, and there's create. Let's go to mini theater here. Solo play? Sure, why not? Oh! Oh! Don't, okay, he better not fall off the desk. Yo! Oh. Okay, Grimlock, don't do anything crazy. He just said Dinobots transform. Oh! Oh, shit!
Yes, we go.
Oh! Come on, let's go! Holy, ho, ho, ho!
Meet Grimlock Love Challenge.
Oh, baby! This is so sick. Okay, there's a button here says called action, so let's go to action. And there's different, like, looks like different kind of commands or different aspects. He's in robot mode, so I'm gonna go to the robot mode here. And then it looks like I can basically have him do different actions by pressing one. So let's do something like, should we dare go to attack?
Meet Grimlock. Bash break.
Damn. Wow. Okay, so this is insane. Let me, you know, look, some of you, different cultures might keep the plastic wrapping on their furniture. I know how it is, but I'm gonna take this off of Grimlock just so we can get him in his full form. This is incredible. I mean, this is, like I said, there's a lot of tech packed in here. 34 high precision servo motors, 85, I can't even talk, 85 microchips in here controlling everything, and then a 6-axis IMU sensor that constantly maintains Grimlock's balance. I believe that I can talk to Grimlock itself. So let's see if this works, okay? So I also figured out when the app is connected to Grimlock, the voice activation doesn't happen. All the controls are done by the app, but when you disconnect it from the app, you can talk to him directly. So let's do something like this. Hey Grimlock,
Yes, we go.
transform. Oh, his tail touched me.
It's extinction time.
That is so incredible. Let's do one more from the robot section. I guess should we call out? Let's go to the gym here. Let's work out. Oh, oh my God! Don't fall off the table. Kid in the candy store, y'all. This is incredible. Wow, this is incredible. Okay, let's see here. Let's put on, can I put on his crown? I don't even know if I'm putting, oh, here we go. Put on his crown. Oh, wait, is this crown on the right way? I don't know. I'm just trying this out, guys. Don't judge me. There we go. King of the castle. Put on the crown. Give him his blade. Give him his gun. Holy cow. Wow. Okay, let's do battle. Here we go. Ready? Battle. Oh! Wait, how did it know which hand it was in? Did it just know? Or did I choose the right one?
Warrior. Meet Grimlock Love Challenge.
Okay, this is amazing. Now, the voice you have here is also, there have been custom recorded sound bites from the original voice from Grimlock from Gen 1 Transformers, Greg Berger. He's inside here, so that's what it feels like. There's 42 different voice prompts, and then obviously you have this app, a remote control to put them in both Dinobot and robot forms. You also have to really appreciate the design here. I mean, this is every detail from my Gen 1 Grimlock that I had. You have obviously like kind of the plastic silver dullness, but then you have the accents with the gold. You have this translucent neck part where you can kind of see the gears and circuitry inside there, even with his like his movable, I guess what do you call them, flexing claws and gold toes and silver tail. I mean, all of it. This is exactly what I had, but just bigger and better. And oh yeah, it can also transform. So I know you're wondering, how much does this Grimlock cost? And I'm going to tell you right now. Okay, I know, I'm talking to them, not you. It costs, whoa, hold up. Sometimes he's got a mind of his own. This costs 1,600.
Insect station time.
Thank you.
Me, Grimlock. Bash break.
I'm gonna let him let me finish. Whoa. Okay, he's good. He's good posing. I was gonna say he didn't want to let me get to it. $1,699. And if you're thinking, oh my gosh, that's crazy. Well, look, the kid in me is geeked about this. The person who now grew up, who has more disposable income. I mean, this is a collector's item. This is who the audience is for. But there's also so much technology packed inside of here. You have the 34 motors, the 85 microchips, the 6-axis IMU sensor. But you can see just how much, this is a love letter to Transformer fans and the Dinobots, and really also a great showcase of technology. Talks to the app on the phone, has voice commands. It has everything. So, hey, Grimlock.
Yes, we go.
Save Cybertron. This is what we should have been doing a long time ago. He's gonna come back. Okay. Because sometimes he has a mind of his own. Oh, Cybertron's got to be saved in Dinobot mode, clearly. Look at that. Look at that tail.
I am Dino Mighty.
I know you are. Oh, there's more. Yes, there's more.
Save universe.
So check out all the details in the description in this video. But there you have it. This is incredible. This is absolutely, one of the coolest things I've ever seen. It is so unique and really, truly one of my top pieces of tech of 2023. I mean, really, tell me what can top this? I know, you're thinking about it hard. All right, so there you go. Grimlock, Robosen's transforming Dinobot. Incredible, incredible. I love this guy. Oh, here, I'll put you back down. Hey, Grimlock.
Yes, we go.
Shut down.
Goodbye, friends. Goodbye.
Goodbye, friends.